In the world of mathematics, some patterns and sequences are so captivating that they seem to bridge the gap between abstraction and reality. The Fibonacci sequence is one of those mathematical marvels that appear everywhere, from the spirals of seashells to the branches of trees. In this blog post, we will embark on a journey to unravel the mysteries and beauty of the Fibonacci sequence. The Fibonacci sequence is named after the Italian mathematician Leonardo of Pisa, who was also known as Fibonacci. In the early 13th century, Fibonacci introduced this sequence to the Western world in his book Liber Abaci. However, the sequence had been described in India hundreds of years earlier. The Fibonacci sequence starts with two numbers, 0 and 1. Each subsequent number in the sequence is the sum of the two preceding numbers. So the sequence begins 0, 1, 1, 2, 3, 5, 8, 13, 21, 34, and so on, infinitely. The relationship between each number and the next is simple, but the implications are profound. As the sequence progresses, the ratio of one number to the next approaches a constant value known as the golden ratio, often denoted by the Greek letter phi. This ratio is approximately 1.61803398887 and is often represented by the fraction 1 pH. The golden ratio is a mathematical constant that appears in art, architecture, and nature. One of the most fascinating aspects of the Fibonacci sequence is its prevalence in the natural world. It appears in the spirals of seashells, the branching of trees, and the arrangement of leaves on a stem. The Fibonacci sequence is nature's secret to achieving optimal growth and efficiency. The golden ratio also gives birth to the golden rectangle and the golden spiral. A golden rectangle is a rectangle in which the ratio of the longer side to the shorter side is equal to phi. When you draw squares within this rectangle, you create a spiral known as the golden spiral, which appears in the curves of galaxies, hurricanes, and even in the shape of our own Milky Way. Artists and architects have long been fascinated by the golden ratio and the Fibonacci sequence. These mathematical principles are used in the proportions of famous artworks like Da Vinci's Mona Lisa, and in architectural masterpieces like the Parthenon in Athens. They create aesthetically pleasing compositions and visually harmonious designs. The Fibonacci sequence even makes its way into the human body. It influences the arrangement of leaves, petals, and seeds in plants. In music, the sequence's ratios are found in the harmonic relationships between notes. Some believe that the golden ratio is associated with beauty and balance in the human face.